This is Estelle. Are you ready for change? To empower your healing, I'm going to show you how to do a somatic healing movement for the pelvic floor. This helps with lower back, hip, and knee pain, plus pelvic floor dysfunction symptoms like incontinence. Goodness, Nova, what's up? Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Oh, everybody knows to like, follow, and subscribe. Who doesn't want to power their healing? To do this move, all you need is a firm surface like a yoga mat on the floor. Lay on your back, knees up, soles of the feet on the mat right next to each other. Make sure your knees are pointed outward as you use your core to lift your hips off the ground like you do in bridging. Once you have engaged your pelvic floor for stability, slowly rock the lower half of your body side to side while keeping your feet and upper back on the floor the whole time. This move is not about strength or speed, but control. Do this slowly to make sure you are using the correct muscles. Once you have gone both directions, that's one. Start with just 2 minutes a day or 2 sets of 12. Remember to do as much of this as you can without pain. We are all works in progress. Thank you so much for watching. Comment below if you have any questions.